Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Trinity local and long distance movers near me. Moving can be a stressful ordeal, but Trinity, Florida movers can help make the process easier. And local movers are the way to go when transferring within the city because they are familiar with the area and can quickly negotiate the city's highways to ensure a seamless trip. So why fret about relocating when Trinity local TM movers can make the process as smooth and straightforward as possible? Relax and enjoy yourself and take in everything this great city has to provide while the professionals do their job. Moving to a new state can be exhausting, but a trustworthy and efficient long-distance mover like Trinity Long Distance 3 movers can make all the difference. Long-distance migrations necessitate extra care and attention to detail to ensure your valuables are well protected while in transit. You can be confident that your possessions are in safe custody with Florida movers and that your relocation will be excellent and stress-free. Trinity long-distance movers have the experience and competence to manage long-distance relocation quickly and efficiently, ensuring that your goods are packed securely and safely transported to your new home. So, whether you're relocating across town or the nation, let Trinity movers handle your relocation and make the transfer as easy as possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Trinity moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.